YouTube. In this video, we'll go over how to open the fuel door and the gas cap for the Toyota RAV4. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, as you can see, the fuel door is on the driver's side of the Toyota RAV4. Now, what you're going to want to do is open your door, and right down here, you'll see two levers. The left lever is to open the fuel door. So what you're gonna do is pull this, and as you can see, it is now ajar. So what you're gonna do is open this up and twist left, and you will have access to your fuel. That's it. And to close it, all you're gonna do is turn right until you hear the click. There it is, and close. That's it, that's all. So if you found this helpful, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing, and I will catch you on the next video.